Hey guys, hope you all are doing fine. चलिए ये आरसी सॉल्व करें. Could it be true? What is this passage all about? One glance at it tells me this is talking something about switch to electric cars. Government, petrol, diesel cars. Looks like a nice relatable topic, है ना? बीच में थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर डेटा कहीं दिया है. National grid proposes 150,000 kilometers. Okay, so I know this is talking about switching power sources. If one thing changes permanently, okay, travel, all right, okay. लंबा पैसेज है बट टॉपिक बहुत आसान है. और बीच बीच में जैसा मैंने बोला डेटा पॉकेट्स हैं ये सब. अभी ओहो और भी है यहाँ, है ना? साइक्लिंग टू वर्क, मिरेकल पिल. ओ सो जस्ट बाय रीडिंग दिस फर्स्ट लाइन आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस वे कि भाई स्विचिंग पावर सोर्सेस की बात कर रहा है. सो प्रोबेबली हियर ही इज कमिंग अप विद अ सोल्यूशन that instead of taking out your car for every little outing or maybe for daily commuting, you can just start cycling to work. है ना? ये हो सकता है, ये दिमाग में एक्टिवली प्रोसेस हो रहा है. अब आप अगर ये सोच रहे हैं कि हमारे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है दिमाग में एक्टिवली प्रोसेस, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मेरे पास ज्यादा दिमाग है. इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ रीडिंग. So again, I'm saying this point. Keep reading actively. That is one short way of scoring in your VARC section of CAT. ठीक है? Even a switch to bicycles is only part of the answer. अच्छा तो कुछ और भी है जो उसको चाहिए. Has always been about, okay, finished. So this one glance will take me something like 30-40 seconds. फटाफट अगर मैंने देखा तो. With the questions, जल्दी जल्दी वो भी देख लेते हैं. Likely to agree on which of these, oh छोटे छोटे options हैं, देखेंगे. Which of this captures the central point? I like main idea questions, so I would like to start with this. Which of the following if true would weaken? main idea को weaken करना है. So main idea weaken. पहले तो main idea निकालेंगे. Then straight away I'll come to this question. The passage is most likely taken from, I hate such questions, because no matter how well I teach you this, there will always be an element of ambiguity in such questions. अभी आप हम जब question पे आएंगे ना तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे. Alright, so in the test, I would skip this. एक बार मैं देखूंगी अगर हो रहा है, ठीक से पता चल रहा है, साफ साफ उसके क्लूज हैं कि हाँ ये ऐसे में से लिया गया, या एलिमिनेशन बहुत अच्छा है तो करेंगे, वरना टेस्ट में ऐसे क्वेश्चन से पंगा नहीं लेना. कैट वैसे ये वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं देता है. ओहो 4 क्वेश्चंस हो गए हमारे. ठीक है. Now we saw that the questions are connected with one another. कैसे? मेन आइडिया को वीकेंड करना है. 2 क्वेश्चंस देख रहे हो आप, थोड़ा सा ना ये प्रोसेसिंग समझो. मेन आइडिया, वीकेंड द मेन आइडिया, राइट? बेस्ड ऑन दोज टू आई कैन कम टू दिस. Author would agree with what? By agree with which of these will be connected with the conclusion. अब मुझे आप सोच के बताओ, दिल पे हाथ रख के, दिमाग पे हाथ रख के बताओ मुझे कि भाई अगर मुझे ये 3 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं तो क्या मेरा दिमाग सड़ गया, मैं गधी हूं कि मैं जा करके ना पूरा पैसेज, इतना बड़ा पैसेज 9 पैराग्राफ्स मैं पढ़ूं बैठ के? बेवकूफी है वो, सरासर बेवकूफी. भाई आपने मार्क्स निकालना है टेस्ट में, पंडित नहीं बनना वहां पे अंग्रेजी के. पंडित अब बाद में बन लेना, ठीक है? सो जो लोग यहाँ पे रिफ्यूट करेंगे हमने तो पढ़ा नहीं, हमें समझ में नहीं आया, कोई बात नहीं, आप फिर दूसरे तरीके से कर लो. मेरा यहाँ पे ये तरीका है, ये 3 क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए कोई नहीं पढ़ता है, राइट? सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू गेट. सीधी सी बात है. अभी मैं आपको वापस लेके चल रही हूँ पैसेज में, आई विल शो यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज नीडेड फॉर दैट. ओके, कुड इट बी ट्रू? ये तो मैं डेफिनेटली पढ़ूंगी. That this government will bring all sales of petrol and diesel cars to an end by 2030. तो हम गाड़ी कैसे चलाएंगे? Maybe some other sources. That it will cancel all rail franchises and replace them with a system that might actually work. Could the UK, समझ में आ गया UK की बात चल रही है, for the first time since the internal combustion engine was invented, really be contemplating a rational transport policy? Hold your horses. ये अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो, रुक जाओ. Hold your horses means रुक जाओ, थोड़ा शांति रखो. So our author is not very sure about it कि UK जो है ना ये सब कर लेगा by the end of this year, by the end of 2030, sorry. Okay, after the first para you need to pause for 10 seconds and kind of जस्ट ब्रिंग एवरीथिंग टुगेदर कि मैंने पढ़ा क्या. ऑथर है वो कह रहा है कि अच्छा होल्ड योर हॉर्सेस, इतनी जल्दी होना नहीं है कुछ भी. अब वो बुराई करेगा शायद यूके की, राइट. A switch to electric cars will reduce pollution, it won't eliminate it. This para is talking about electric cars पे आप अगर switch करते हो, it won't eliminate it. So this is not the end, this is not the solution actually. अब why do I need to read all this? ये high proportion okay, health arising from this, tire wear okay नहीं पढ़ रही मैं. Electric cars will not eliminate it. ये सब जो करने को बोल रहा है, दिस इज टू एलिमिनेट पोल्यूशन, टू रिड्यूस पोल्यूशन, ये तो खाली रिड्यूस करेगा. सो ऑथर कह रहा है एलिमिनेट नहीं हो रहा. दैट मींस द गवर्नमेंट इज लुकिंग टू एलिमिनेट इट. Cars are an environmental hazard long before they leave the showroom. One estimate suggests, okay, why do I need to read all this? ये showroom में भी even before they hit the road, how come they are an environmental hazard? ये पैरा उस पे है, नहीं है क्वेश्चन इससे रिलेटेड. ये अभी यहाँ कार्स की बुराई कर रहा है. Okay, switching power sources does nothing to address the vast amount of space the car demands. Power source तो switch कर लोगे आप. मान लो आप पेट्रोल बंद कर दोगे, the government will ban petrol consumption and it will move everybody to, let's say, ethanol. Okay, तो it does nothing to address the vast amount of space. बाकी space जो है car parks and everything that can be used. So now the author comes to this point. Yeah, cars also occupy space. Villains and cars. The government plans to spend $27 billion pounds on building even more roads, presumably accommodate. अच्छा, तो अब तो government cars बना रही है. But everywhere, even in the government's fitted garden villages and garden towns, new developments are being built. You see this? Rail policy is just as irrational. Irrational क्यों कह रही हूँ? Irrational. Rail policy is just as irrational. Now the author moves from cars to rail. उसकी बुराई. Construction नहीं पढ़ रही मैं. If one thing changes permanently as a result of the pandemic, travel. Never return to the office. ये वो experienced. Pandemic का point आ गया यहाँ पे. Like several of the world's major cities, our capital is being remodeled. Our capital बोले तो probably talking about London. यूके का कैपिटल. लंदन कैसे, एक्सटर्नल नॉलेज नहीं, बट लंदन डिक्शनरी में देखोगे तो पता है कि दिया रहता है कैपिटल ऑफ यूके. ओके, रीमॉडल्ड इन पर्पस. लंदन मेयर okay would do this something, right? So what is the government trying to do? Hopes to build 1800 miles of protected pedestrian and bicycle routes. Pedestrian and bicycle. Okay, now I am interested in this portion. Why? Because there's a question. What would the author agree with? So these paragraphs here are kind of solutions. जो author का suggestion है ना, थोड़ा सा इसको पढ़ लेंगे. Cycling to work is described by some doctors as the miracle pill, massively reducing blah 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 the major impediment. Details मत पढ़ो. The author is advocating cycling. Even a switch to bicycles is only part of the answer. The author wants something else. Fundamentally, this is not a vehicle problem but an urban design. उसके हिसाब से पूरा डिजाइन ही बर्बाद है. और rather it is an urban design problem created by favored vehicle. Cars से तो नफरत है इसको. Cars have made everything bigger and further away. Paris, okay, seeking to reverse this trend by creating a 15-minute city. How? In which districts that have been treated as mere portals to somewhere else become self-sufficient communities, are each with their own shops, parks, schools and all. You don't need to leave that community very often. Got it? Transport has always been much about more than transport. The design, the urban design. The space that it occupies, the way we travel helps to determine the way we live, and at the moment, locked in our mental boxes, we do not live well. So we understand the author has criticized three main things in fact. Cars, trains and urban design. Cars की तो बहुत बुराई की है इसने. It occupies more space. Even before it leaves the showroom, it is an environmental hazard. फिर बाहर जाकर के तो और ही ज्यादा हो जाती है, पंख निकल आते हैं इसके. ये है पैसेज में. Last 3 paragraphs talk about cycling and how we can rebuild, restructure. The flow is like so damn easy, man. Why do you need to read everything? यहाँ पे बेवकूफी हो जाएगी अगर कोई बंदा बैठ के पूरा पढ़ रहा है कि I may miss out on something important. क्यों miss out? मैंने तो 4 questions देखे हैं. This is why I tell you, क्विकली ग्लांस एट द क्वेश्चंस एंड देन ट्राई टू रिटेन कि कहां पर से क्या पूछा है, मतलब क्या पूछा है उसने, अकॉर्डिंगली आई विल रीड माई पैसेज। ठीक है, अभी चलिए, अच्छा पहले मुझे मेन आइडिया करना था ये। Which of this captures the central point of the passage? Okay. Now, cycling, biking, and walking should replace cars. Okay. Electric cars should replace fossil-based cars. Cars replacement is not the mudda for the author. That is maybe, one part that says source shift karo. Okay. So electric cars should replace doesn't cover the entire passage or doesn't cover the main point. In the end, he says it's mainly about the design and how we live, how we commute. Right. So this is incomplete. Eliminated. अभी इसको देखते हैं. A sustainable urban life depends on an integrated. Okay. Now, I'll give you a good strategy here, a technique. ये क्या है? Main idea में ना आपने पहला पैरा पढ़ा, last पैरा पढ़ा. If there is a solution, a recommendation that has to be there as your main idea. Okay. So ये भी बोल रहा है suggestion. This is also suggestion, but these two are incomplete. He doesn't say cycling is the ultimate solution. वो कह रहा है cycling is only part of it. We need to rebuild our structures. We need to redesign how we live. Currently we are living very badly. So Paris वारिस का उसने एग्जाम्पल दिया कि वो लोग अपने communities बना रहे हैं, 15-minute cities, 15-minute communities. So sustainable, this is a nice balanced word, depends on an integrated, compact, okay, and non-congested solution. This is good. Fossil-based cars create, this is just the problem. ये सबसे पहला elimination होना चाहिए. I don't like these other three options here because this one stands out. Okay. पर ये तीनों जो है थोड़ा सा इसको अगर लंबा कर लेना, मतलब अगर मेरा होता ना कंट्रोल, तो आई वुड हैव काइंड ऑफ मेड दी स्लाइटली लॉन्गर. ठीक है, तो ये तो मतलब इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है, इनकम्प्लीट है, थोड़ा थोड़ा और लंबा करते तो फिर वो जो होता ना एलिमिनेशन थोड़ा सा और टफ हो जाता. अभी तो वी कैन सी दैट दिस स्टैंड्स आउट. व्हाई? बिकॉज द सोल्यूशन इज देयर दैट वी नीड टू चेंज थिंग्स एंड वी नीड टू हैव मोर सस्टेनेबल लाइव्स. ओके, सो दिस इज डन. अब भाई वीकेंड करना है. वीकेंड करके हम क्या बोलेंगे? डू नॉट सी द ऑप्शंस येट, राइट? वीकेंड करके व्हाट विल वी से? विल से भाई आप जो बोल रहे हो ना 15-minute lives, this is not good. We can't be cocooned. We need to connect with other parts of the cities, right? इतना ज्यादा cocoon करके रखोगे तो how will you get exposure to the rest of the world? How will you meet other people? है कि नहीं? Fossil fuel cars are the worst in creating pollution. The author is not saying कौन worst है कौन नहीं है. This is not connected with his claim, with the main idea. The more and more sale of electric cars haven't succeeded. The more and more sale of electric cars hasn't succeeded in lessening air pollution. Only electric cars is part of the claim, right? So अगर आप ये लेते हो hasn't succeeded in lessening air pollution, तो ये तो support कर रहा है. Author वही तो कह रहा है इन सबको हटाओ, right? People cannot ride bicycles to travel long distance, which remains a necessity. I'm left with C and D. People cannot ride bicycle to travel long distance, which remains a necessity. Right? So here this one is weakening the claim that bicycles are needed. Bicycles should be there as a mandatory thing. तो ये उसको weaken कर रहा है कि भाई people cannot ride bicycle to travel long distances. Right? And what does this say? A community cannot afford to become self-sustaining on its own, sustaining. Cocooned. वही बोल रहा है ना? You cannot stay cocooned as centers of economy are based on strategic factors not available everywhere. हर जगह आपके community में हर चीज नहीं होगी. Let's say you want a zoo. Maybe that zoo is far away. Safari park is somewhere far away. Let's say you want you want a bus stop. अब every community cannot have a proper like bus अड्डा वाला type वाला terminus kind of, है ना? So he's saying strategic factors are not available everywhere. You cannot stay cocooned. So this is again very clearly the one that weakens it. Correct. After this, I'll go to this. Agree with which of these based on his conclusion? Definitely. Author का agree disagree उसी पे based होता है. Okay. Now, More infrastructure. So यहाँ पे we are looking for one true FFF, right? More infrastructure developments for electric cars? No. Replacement of every fossil-based car by electric car? This is again not his mudda. Drive your car less frequently. Replacement of every fossil, पर वो कह रहा है that is not the complete solution, right? फिर भी electric car होगा ना? He's not happy with that. Drive your car less frequently. It's either this or this. Now, in the end, he says 15-minute communities. He talks about bicycles. He talks about walking. So, I will go with this. Don't have your own car. Why? Because he doesn't like cars. He has criticized cars throughout. Car showroom में भी problem है, बाहर निकल के भी problem है, घरों में भी problem है, ये problem है. So, this is good. Now, if in case you're thinking this is extreme, भाई, if you go with this, drive your car less frequently, still आप निकाल तो रहे हो ना. तो ऑथर एंड में ये नहीं बोलेगा 15-minute communities and cycling and walking. He wouldn't say that. उसको तो cycling से भी he is not satisfied. He says that is not enough as a solution. वो कह रहा है travel ही नहीं करना है आपको. That is what he's saying. So don't have your own car goes with what is given in the passage. चलो last वाला. Most likely taken from. Now, इसको देखते हैं करना कैसे. ठीक है. An automobile magazine. Automobile magazine would encourage you to go for cars. First elimination. A research journal? No. Because a research journal will contain certain references taken from there, ऐसा लिखा रहेगा bracket में. This is not. A pamphlet released by Clean Technology Company, a newspaper op-ed section. Now, in this question, it is very easy to eliminate in दोनों के बीच में. Obviously, it is this because the author is giving his opinion. Op-ed column क्या होता है? Op-ed section is where people, good writers, give their opinion on a particular topic. Anything topical that is going on. If I'm an op-ed author, if I'm an ed, कोई भी ऐसा जो लिख रहा है उन columns में, I'm going to take that up and I'm going to give my opinion to it. So here it's very easy to understand. This is the answer. All the 4 questions good and doable. Hope everything is clear, guys. Hope you understood how to handle such a big passage. See you again. Bye-bye.